Okay na. Good morning, candidates. My name is Julian Charmaine Alves. I am your accredited competency assessor for beauty care, nail care, and C2. At this moment, I would like to acknowledge the presence of our TESDAS representative, Ms. Marian Padre, our AC manager, Ms. Ashlyn Cruz, and our processing officer, Ms. Princess Roque. Magandang umaga po, ma'am. Okay. Wag po kayong mag-alala sa presensya nila. They are not here to assess you, but to check and oversee if the assessment that we are conducting today is in accordance of TESDAS prescribed competency assessment methodology and procedures. Okay, before ko po simulan ng orientation, gusto ko sanang i-check muna ang inyong attendance. As I call your name, please present to me your ID and admission slip, and then pirma po kayo dito sa ating attendance. Okay, candidate number 1. Okay po, eto po, pirma na po. Candidate number 2. Okay, pirma po. Okay, thank you. Okay. Paalala ko lamang po na nasa akin na po ang inyong application form at ang inyong self-assessment guide. This is indication po na you already acquired the knowledge and can perform the skills required for all the units of competency enumerated under beauty care, nail care qualification. Okay po. Okay, today I am going to administer the competency assessment for beauty care, nail care. Ano po ba ang purpose nito? Ang purpose po nito ay para po ma-measure ang level ng inyong competency, whether you are competent or not yet competent. Okay, the qualification or units of competencies to be assessed are basic, common, and core. Okay, at sa ating beauty care, nail care, core competency, we have prepare client, perform hand spa, at perform foot spa. The task that you are going to perform today ay ang performing foot spa, cleaning, and scrubbing foot. At to measure and determine your underpinning knowledge and skills for beauty care, nail care, ang assessment method na gagawin po natin ay written exam, demonstration, at oral questioning. Okay. Para po pala sa mga inyong personal needs, ang restroom po natin nandito po sa labas sa may kaliwa ng hall at ang ating cafeteria ay within the compound lang po. Okay. During the assessment nga po pala, pag nagsimula na po tayo, hindi na po pwedeng lumabas ng assessment center premises. At kung nahihirapan po kayo sa instructions, pwede po kayong magpa-translate ng instruction from English to your local dialect. Okay po? At kung meron pong dito, buntis or meron pong disabilities, pwede pong paki-inform po ako agad para po makapag-adjust po tayo sa inyong special needs. At para naman po dun sa may mga medical attention na nagtitake po ng maintenance nila, katulad po ng asthma, diabetes, hypertension, please see to it to take your medicine on time. Okay po. At dun po sa may mga religion concerns at sa may mga paniniwala po, pwede nyo pong gawin ang inyong rituals or activities before po the assessment. Okay? Okay, may katanungan po ba? Okay po? Kung wala pong katanungan, before we start the assessment, i-assist ko po kayo. Kung wala na po kayong katanungan, simulan na po natin. At kasi po pagka nag-start na po tayo ng assessment, hindi na po inaalaw ang pagtatanong. Okay? At yun doon po, regarding nga po pala sa assessment result, you have the right to make an appeal. Pwede po kayong mag-submit ng written appeal doon sa TESDA Provincial Office kung saan po kayo nagpa-assess. Okay? Kung saan po kayo nagpa-assess. You can submit your written appeal to the TESDA Provincial Office where the assessment center and the assessor are accredited. Okay? Kung napasa nyo po ang assessment, Makiklaim nyo po ang inyong NC or National Certificate through email later on po after po ng assessment. At kung hindi man po kayo pinalad na maging competent or not yet competent po, pwede naman po kayo magpa-reassess anytime. On other hand po, if you have competent on some units at magpapa-reassess lang po kayo, nakafocus lang po yung reassessment nyo doon po sa hindi pa po kayo competent or not yet competent. Okay? At kung sakali man po na 2 beses po kayo hindi nakapasa na magkasunod, pwede po kayong ina-advise po kayo na mag-take ng refresher course before applying for reassessment. Okay po? May katanungan po ba? Okay, wala po. Tuloy po natin. During the actual assessment, please observe safety and precaution as you perform the different tasks. Okay po, lagi po tayo mag-iingat habang po tayo ay nag-perform ng tasks. At kung may aksidente man po na mangyari, pakitawag po ako agad para ma-actionan po natin siya agad. At kung kailangan po ng first aid kit, meron naman po tayong first aid kit sa trainer's resource area. Okay po? At dun nga po pala sa with the regards of assessment result, we observe strict confidentiality to uphold the integrity of assessment process. The results are available only to authorized personnel and to the institution where you had your actual training. Okay po. Bawal po tayong mag-picture, maglabas po ng information during sa ating assessment. Okay po. Dapat pinagbabawal po iyon. At para po yun sa security at guarantee ng integrity ng ating assessment. Okay, may question pa po ba? Okay, kung wala na pong question, ibibigay ko po sa inyo itong specific instructions. Okay po. Please get one and pass. Okay. For demonstration, you are required to perform cleaning and scrubbing foot for 30 minutes. At sa written test po natin, meron po tayong 30 item test. Ito po ay true or false, multiple choice, at identification. Gagawin nyo po ito o tatapusin nyo po ito for 30 minutes. Okay, may question po ba? Okay. Kung wala pong question, pwede na po tayo magsimula sa written exam nyo po. Okay po? Sige po, sagutan na po. May start. Okay, time is up. May collect your papers. Thank you. Now, let's proceed to demonstration. Okay, candidate number 1. Okay. Pakibasa uli ang inyong specific instructions. Ay, ihirap nga dito. Okay, candidate number 1. Pakibasa uli ang iyong specific instructions. Okay, ang ipa-perform mo ngayon ay cleaning and scrubbing foot for 30 minutes. Kung may katanungan ka, pwede mo nang akong tanungin ngayon dahil pag nag-start na tayo, hindi na po inaalaw ang magtanong. Okay, always observe safety precaution while performing your task. Okay, may katanungan po ba? Wala, okay, you can perform na. Make start na po. Okay, time is up. Thank you. Please go back to your holding area at pakitawag po si candidate number 2. Okay, candidate number 2, pakibasa uli ang iyong specific instructions. At you are going to perform cleaning and scrubbing foot for 30 minutes. At always observe safety precaution while performing your task. Okay? May katanungan po ba? Kung wala po, pwede na po magsimula. Okay, time is up. Thank you. Please wait to your holding area. Pwede na po kayo dito. Candidate number 1. Okay, candidate number 1. Ang question po natin para sa'yo ay, how did you prepare your client? Okay, thank you. Okay. So, you can go back to your holding area. Candidate number 2. Okay, how do you prepare your client? Right. Okay. Okay, you can go back to your holding area and please wait for the feedback. Okay? Ano nga eh. Okay. Ano mo muna nga. Stop mo muna ulit. Wait, diyan ka lang muna. Stop mo muna. Okay, now let's proceed to the oral questioning. Candidate number 1, please come over and have a seat. Okay, how did you prepare your client? Okay, thank you. Please go back to your holding area. Candidate number 2, how did you prepare your client? Ay, di pala nakaka. How did you prepare your client? Okay. Okay, thank you. You can go back to your holding area. Okay. Okay, for feedbacking, candidate number 1. Okay, thank you. Kamusta ang iyong assessment? Okay. Ano sa tingin mo ang performance mo? Okay naman. So, ito ang performance. Based on your written exam, you have got 30 out of 30. At sa iyong oral questioning, meron ka ring, you've got 9 out of 9. So, perfect ang score mo, no? At sa iyong demonstration, nakita ko naman na confident ka na gawin yung task na pinapagawa sa iyo. More practice lang talaga sa pagpunas at asikaso ng mga customer at clients. So, pero nevertheless, I found you competent for this qualification. Papapirmahan nga pala kita dito sa iyong rating sheet. Okay? Sheet, pakipirmahan, at andito rin ang iyong competency assessment result summary. Okay, pakipirmahan po yan. Okay, bago ka nga pala bumalik, ito, I would like to inform you how to request your NC. Ang NC nyo po ay Hey, before to go back to your holding area, I would like to inform you how to request to claim your NC or National Certificate. Ipapadala po ito through email, yung pong email na binigay nyo, at pakaantay na lang po later on. Ang kailangan nyo lang po ay mag-fill up ng request at paki-attach po ang inyong cars dito at yung passport size ID na 1 by 1, dapat po naka-colored at white background. At kailangan po ng request at prepare 50 pesos po for national certificate. Okay. Once again po, congratulations po. You may now proceed to your holding area. Okay, candidate number 2 for feedbacking. Kamusta ang iyong assessment? Kamusta ang iyong performance? Okay. Based nga pala sa iyong written exam, nakakuha ka lamang ng 13 over 30. At sa iyong oral questioning, you got 4 over 9. At sa demonstration mo, hindi mo pa kabisado ang pagkakasunod-sunod kung paano ang gagawin. At dahil doon ay you're not yet confident. Pero huwag po kayo mag-alala dahil pwede po kayo magpa-reassess anytime sa inyong convenience. May question po ba kayo? Okay po, kung wala pong katanungan, pakipirma po ang inyong rating sheet at ito sa at ang inyong competency assessment result summary. Yung assessment center manager po ang pipirma na yung cards at ibibigay po ito sa inyo sa holding area. You may now proceed to your holding area. Okay. The EC manager and the processing officer will conduct your post-evaluation. And to evaluate your performance of the assessor, bibigyan po kayo ng evaluation sheet. Okay po? Ang sheet, huwag po kayong mag-alala na sagutan po yan dahil hindi naman po yan makaka-apekto sa inyong assessment. Assessment Center Manager, the assessment is over. I am presenting to you the complete package of the Beauty Care, Nail Care, 1 of 2 got competent and 1 is not yet competent. Okay, thank you po. Thank you everyone. Stop muna.